we're sat in, once again, this is on a shorter time frame, so a 5-minute chart, in a little block range once more. Now, what you're looking for here then is, as we've already had a test down and we're now sitting above 72s, you're looking for a little move up through the 84s to get a little bit of a rally going on. Now, what you want to be looking out for here is, as we get to 84, the market not willing to let it through, continually absorbs the trade when we get up there. I will speed this up because it was around lunchtime, so it's a little bit slow trade. It's a little bit easier to see these absorptions on slightly sped up markets anyway. But what you're looking for is 84 is the point. That's where you want to see the breakout. That's where you would be looking to try and buy this. So you get a little bit of buying there. So 35, 36 traded, trades up to 83s. Now here we go. We're going to be looking at 84s. And what I want you to do is watch the bid. The offer keeps coming back no matter what trades into it. So this shows what trades. No matter what trades into it, just keeps coming back, keeps coming back, keeps coming back. So there we go, 40 dots just trade into 83. Very quickly 83s come back on the offer. It doesn't matter what trades into it, just quick, back onto the offer, back onto the offer, back onto the offer. So now we're waiting to see if it can get up there once more. Yeah, it's not backing off, which is a good sign if you want, if you're still trying to buy this market. You're not getting the market backing off here, so that's all good. What you now want to see is actually getting bought from here, and it just can't do it. So the danger you've got is once you've got up to the 83s, 84s, and it can't find any more buying, is where does it drop back down to? 80s is the point that we're dropping down to. It just trades 100 into 80s and then into 79s. Tries to trade back 80s, 50 lots gets filled. So this is actually where you can now start thinking about a short on this, because of the fact we traded up to 83, that got reloaded. It absorbed everything that got bought. Now you're starting to get a market that's selling into 80. Or selling into 79. Anything that trades up 80s absorbs it. So the market's not allowing any buy-in to get going, which is now giving you a chance to get short. Yes, you're getting short slightly mid-range here, so really your stop's still got to be up here above the 86s. It's a little bit dangerous, but what you're looking for is now, because we've got this range established, you're looking then for a drop through the range, through the 72s, and then a further continuation of this move. Here we go. Now you start seeing this size following down again. Disappeared that time, but even though we trade up, take the market bid, offer comes straight back in. Now it starts to absorbs another 50, and the 90 lot comes in. So a little bit like the DAX the other week, trying to disguise this order. And this again giving you another chance to get short. Now we're getting down towards the bottom of the range. 72s is going to be key now. So you could look to cover something at the bottom of the range if you want to. But ultimately, with this failure to get out the top, particularly with the absorption there, and then the absorption lower down at 80, 79s area as well, and then 77, 8s, you now got reason to start thinking, right, this could break down. If we get through the 72s, then we can keep the move going, and that takes you down towards sort of mid-60s, at least initially. Once down there, it's then a case of, if we can't get back up into range, which we don't manage to do, we don't manage to get back up above 80, which, like I say, that was where we were getting the selling from. Can't get back above there, then you get this continuation down, which actually then instigated the beginning of this much larger move.